Hello, my dear dream team. Here we go. Another day, another Sunday. Sunday night, Sunday fun day. We're here together again with different type of food, keto food. Recently, for past 3 weeks, I was making up all this Persian food. Persian food takes forever. Chicken takes forever. I know it's tiring. Those foods are tiring. They're delicious. I don't say anything about them. They are so delicious. They're so good, but they take forever. And maybe many of us, we don't have that much time to put on cooking the Persian foods. Today, we came up with a different idea. It's another type of food I'm going to make. It's not really food. It's kind of like a snack. You can put it beside the food. When you have the food, you can have it beside your food, or either you want to watch a good movie. You can have it when you watch a movie. You go out, you can have it in a paper bag or something. You can eat it. It's delicious. It's good. Everyone loves it. What is called? French fries. Yeah. French fries. Today we are gonna cook French fries for you. French fries are all, it's high carb. How we can make it as a keto version, it's different. I know it's not potato, but it exactly, I'm not saying exactly, sorry, is so near by French fries. It tastes a little bit like, it tastes so near to French fries, not a little bit, and it's so crispy. You would damn love it. Let's see, let's go. Okay, keto version French fries is the simplest thing I've cooked ever. Very simple, it doesn't have that many ingredients in it, and it's easy to cook, takes not that much time, at the most, say 20 minutes to 25 minutes at the most. Let's go for the ingredients. For the ingredients, I'm gonna use coconut flour, Xanthan Gum, Parmesan, and I'm gonna cook it in Kirkland Costco olive oil. Doesn't have a smell, I promise you. So let's go for it. I put it here to see how much exactly I want to put here. Let's turn it on. Let's get it on. Okay, let's go. 23, 54. Let me don't make that much. 50 grams. 50 grams. 50 grams. 50 grams. Then I have Parmesan. I forgot. I need boiling water or very hot water. Parmesan. I have it here. Let's reset it again and see how much I want to put. 1, 20, and 35, 38, 39, 40 grams. I put 40 grams of Parmesan. It's a fresh Parmesan, shredded finely fresh Parmesan. I put that in here. Then I'm gonna put Xanthan Gum. I don't care about the size of it. I just want to turn it off because I can't go with a teaspoon. That's my teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. Okay. Not 1 teaspoon actually. I just want to show the measurement. 1 2 3 teaspoon. 3 teaspoon. Okay. And then what do I have is very hot water or boiling water. It's almost done. All right, boiling water. I put a little bit more, half a cup of boiling water. Let me put this here. And then I'm going to mix them together. Going with hand. Just want to get wet every side of it. The flour gets wet and stick to the Parmesan, water, and Xanthan Gum. It's almost done. Okay, I'll make it like a ball, and then I have to give it rest for just 15 minutes. Open up here. Count 15 minutes. 15, 14:59, 14:58, 14:57, 14:56, 14:55. We go. All right, our French fries ball is ready, and let's make our French fries with it. So we have this guy here. I put it on the little plastic bag. Put it over a plastic bag on it and push it. Push it. Oh. So I have this guy here, and I'm using my knife, cutting it to French fries pieces. Okay. And let me make this for the French fries. It's ready. It's ready. So I have this guy here. Let me heat up my oven with the extra virgin olive oil. Let me heat it up, the pan. Put it here. I put my olive oil in here on my pan. Now, I turned it on. Put this on the side here. And we wait. Okay, I think it's ready. I put my fries one by one into the pan. Okay. Make sure everywhere is cooking and not burning one part and the other side is like not cooked even. So and just let you know that it burns pretty quick. So as you see here, it looks so crispy. Gonna see it if it's really got crispy, which I see it is crispy actually. And just wanna see how is it taste first. Just write on the comment below if you're making it and let me know if you liked it or not. And then we go from there. Almost done, almost cooked. That's overcooked. This part. This is good. And I will turn off the oven and it's ready. Everything is ready. All right, our French fries is ready. Just the last exciting part is going to be adding a little bit of black pepper if you like, and also a little bit of salt. French fries is delicious with salt. We have our French fries keto version. And I'm curious, let me try. That's so damn delicious. Even better than the real French fries. All right, you can serve it with low sugar or no sugar ketchup and or other sauces you like. And it tastes like exactly like French fries to me. Wow. It's so good. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for supporting me. Thanks for supporting me and watching me in the journey that I have to lose this damn belly. I can't wait to see you next week. Just let you know, Ketology is on fire!